Today I want to create something really fun. I want to do a top knot with a faux fringe. First we're going to take our hair story powder, work it right in the crown, just to soak up any oil. I like it because powder gives you a bit of texture too, and just a little hole into the ponytail. I kind of massage it in with my fingers, and then we're going to take our boar bristle brush and just kind of brush our hair into place. You want to make sure the hair is free of any tangles. You're using your mirror to get the positioning of exactly where you want your top knot to sit. I want this to sit a little forward on the top of her head, just because I'm going to be utilizing the ends of her hair for the fringe. After you get the positioning exactly where you want it, you take your bungee cord and secure. And then you begin to wrap. Get your bun sort of exactly where you want it. Take a look at it. We're going to pin that into place. And now we're going to kind of work our faux fringe. You can add a bend into it. You can give it a little texture. I like a bit of pieciness. And then I'm going to take our wax, just less than a dime size. Kind of work it into my hands and through my fingers, and just kind of piece out pieces. So simple, so easy, and no scissors. Nothing permanent, but a little bit of fun. What do you think, Reagan?
This looks so cool. I love it.
Think you could do it?
Yes, I think I can.